Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about OT activate multi-factor authentication on AWS. So it is mandatory now. It is new feature kind of. It is mandatory now. We need to enable after 90 days completed. You are created. Suppose you are created one AWS account. If you are not activated, if you are not enabled MFA since since last 90 days since last 90 days, then it will be our access will be disabled, right? See, there is no access. So do one thing for that. First enter any name. I'm entering my name, sankar. So after that, I'm selecting the authentication app master. So here, set up authentication app, install a compatible application such as Google authentication app mobile. It is nothing but install the Microsoft Authentication app on your phone. So open your mobile and search the in Play Store, search the authentication app. So this is the QR scan. So first we need to enter the device name. See here, we are enter device name. After that, select authentication app. We are selected. Next, install the Microsoft Authentication app on your phone. You can install the authentication app. Third step. Fourth step, enter device name. So I am entering the steps. So I am removing this. Step 1, we need to do enter device name. Suppose I am given my name. After that, step 2. Step 2 is select authentication app. Three options are there, right? I am selected this authentication app. You can also select authentication app. Step 3. So install the Microsoft authentication app. Authentication app on your phone. So phone. This is the third step. Step 4. Step 4. Click on show QR scan. Click on show QR scan QR code. And first one, enter device name. Select authentication app. Install the Microsoft authentication app on your phone. After that, click on show QR scan. So step 5. Step 5 is scan using Microsoft authentication. Scan using Microsoft authentication app. Step 6. Add MFA. So we are in fifth step. So I am already installed in my phone. So I am trying to scan this authentication app. So scanner is there. Scanner is there. Scan. So would you recommend this app? You can say yes. So if you ask that rate this app, then you can say rate some. After that, it will be added one column kind of like I am entering like device name, right? Device name at the right of your account name. After that, click that one. Amazon Web Services. It will coming like a Amazon Web Services. It will give one code. We need to enter here. We need to enter first code, second code. So here I am entering. This is the first code. After 30 seconds, it will give another code. Enter to consequent codes for your authentication app. So after scanning, we need to enter this one. So 863. These are the two codes. After you are entering two codes, register MFI. See, you have successfully assigned a virtual MFI. So continue to conjure. So this is the register MFI. Here another step. Step 6. In step 6, enter to consecutive codes from your authentication app. It is a 6-digit some numbers are there, OTPs we need to enter. This is the 7th step. In this video, we have successfully understand how to enable multi-factor authentication. See, this is now control. So these steps I will provide in description of this video. Thank you for watching.